Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and now here's a tutorial on how to sew a dog bandana. For the measurements, you would need to measure around your dog's neck. For my measurements, I done a small puppy and it measured 10 inches. I then added 1 inch of seam allowance, therefore I had to cut a square 11 inch by 11 inch. Firstly, we're going to measure and cut the fabric out. Now we're going to fold corner to corner, and then we're going to clip all the way around the edges. Make sure that the fabric is right side together. Now we're going to sew straight down here, leave a gap, and then continue sewing. Now we have sewn, we're going to snip off each of the corners. Make sure you don't cut too close to the stitches, as we don't want the stitches to come undone. Now we're going to find that hole and we're going to turn it inside out. It's time to stitch that hole up. We're going to do a stitch all the way around the bandana. Now we have sewn all the way around the bandana, we're going to put some Velcro on each side of the bandana. You can use a popper, however I like to use Velcro. Make sure you place one piece of Velcro on one side of the bandana and the other piece on the other side. It's time to sew that Velcro on. Now your sewing project is now complete. Now you know how to sew your very own dog bandana. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming tutorials.